guys. So this is Raj. So today is going to be just like a normal, boring, busy Monday, I guess, for most people. So even for me, the same. In Poland, now the time is like 3 p.m. So I just finished my day's work. So I work as a programmer, as a machine learning engineer part time. So I did my work. It took the entire day and parts of my afternoon, and then I finished my work. So now I decided to live stream it, trying to practice memory here. As you can see my screen, let me check the stream. Yeah, everything is good here. Yup, everything works. So yeah, so just to read today's news and see what's happening and my thoughts on it, and then maybe try some memory stuff. Let's see where we are. So if I'm able to do 30 seconds consistently and slowly, I can go back to my 26 seconds, I guess, and then let's see from take it from there. Yeah. So today is National Avocado Day. Okay. Okay. Not much happening, I guess. A 99-year-old trucking giant went bust. Okay. Whoa, Barbie closes in on $1 billion. Wow. Wow, $775 million so far from the international box office. African cowbell just got bigger. Okay, so there's a war happening, I guess. Wow. Okay, so they have created a belt of six African countries coast to us where military juntas are now in charge of the government. Wow. Okay, that's sad. And then anything else? Moving on. Hmm. Okay, Twitter formally, by the way, X has reinstated Kanye West after 8 months suspension. Okay, yeah, the boiling temperature is gonna subside because of the monsoon rains, it seems, in the US southeast. Wow. Australian swimmer Katie has broke Michael Phelps' record of 16 individual gold medals in the World Championship. Okay. A female microscopic roundworm that spent the last 46,000 years in a suspended animation deep in the Siberian permafrost was revived. Okay. Started having babies in laboratory dish. Wow. Wow. 46,000 years. Okay, this is the soil sample, I guess. Wow. Yeah, that's a cool news actually. Nice. Okay. Moving to the tech news. Meta is taking a different approach to the AI race. China anxiety looms large as Congress discusses autonomous vehicle regulations. Meta has its own path in the AI race compared to Microsoft and Google's chase proprietary search and enterprise offerings. Yeah, so yeah, I have a lot of thoughts in this. Like we know that Microsoft is now owning majority of OpenAI and they are responsible of ChatGPT and making profit out of it. So that's a proprietary algorithm at this point. The model weights were never released, and then the Google Bard is there. Once again, it's proprietary. Meta, interestingly, is playing the good guy, good cop. I don't know, like the nice guy role here. They gave away like 2 weeks back Llama 2, one of the biggest open source, the most intelligent, or it seems to be the most intelligent compared to the other models that have been released so far. It is trained on 2 trillion tokens from what I read, and it can take double the number of input text compared to the previous model. So that's a big deal as well. And it can output also double the amount of tokens. It's supposed to output more than 4,000 tokens, uh, and also it can take in 4,000 tokens, which is equivalent to 3,000 to 3,500 words, I guess. So that's a lot of input and output text. So yeah, and they released it completely for commercial use, by the way. So that's a bold move by Meta here. Yeah. So Meta posted solid Q2 numbers for its core business and revenue rising by 11%, giving them more leeway to continue to pursue long-term goals. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. And also the another interesting story I wanted to add here is like PyTorch is owned by Meta, right? So they basically own one of the biggest AI libraries, or the libraries with which you write AI code. So they own PyTorch. That's a huge market share, by the way. And then on top of it, they are creating these bigger models and releasing it for free. So that's a cool thing, actually. And moving on. Okay, so that's it for today's tech news as well. So maybe I can now try to memorize the images for today. Let's see how it goes. Let me recollect the memory palace in my head. Okay. Okay, nice, let's go. Okay, the first attempt is so rough all the time. Everywhere I'm kind of stuck here in this area. Probably I have to refine my memory palace in a way, I guess. So, yeah, let's see. That's not good actually. Every time this happens. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, I remember this part and okay, vaguely remember these things and moves. Share. Mm, I think this one goes there and this one kind of goes here and this one maybe here. I think this is it. I think so. And I'm not sure here, here, and here. Let's see. Oops. Okay. The order. Basically, I did not have enough time to memorize those last set of images anyway, so sometimes that's what, like, you should at least see the image so that you can at least put it in a close by space rather than just completely panicking and not even seeing the image, you know? Yeah. So this is fine. And I also did building. Yeah, today I also did this course. I just wanted to tell you guys. It's about how to build chatbots using an application called Gradio, which is written in Python. And why I wanted to learn this is basically to build an application as a wrapper on top of all the large language model or any other AI application that you do. So they were teaching us certain things like image captioning. Like if you can upload an image, it will give you a caption like what is the image doing. So that's cool. And then they did the other way around. If you give a text using an AI model to generate the image actually, and it was also working fine. The only thing that I did not like about the course was most of the tutorial was explained in perspective, server's endpoint, so they just copy pasted some commands and hosted it from the server, which was really not intuitive enough for people who try to code in their own personal computer, I guess, in this case myself. So yeah, so students or people who would like to learn these things would love to have it if they could do a complete end-to-end tutorial where they are doing it in a local PC rather. So that is something I felt like. And yeah, and then another cool thing they did apart from the image and captioning stuff is they tried to use one of the biggest open source models like Falcon. So they used that to create a chatbot as well. So that's cool actually. So that's the primary reason I wanted to join this course. But I also ended up learning how they are doing working with images and text and vice versa as well. Apart from the just the natural language output. So he was the guy who was teaching actually. So yeah, I highly recommend this course. It's a very good fundamental course, like for beginners who are getting into Gradio. Definitely not an advanced course for sure, and it's free. So and it's under an hour, I guess. So it was fine. So I did this, and yep. So the stream is looking good. Yeah. So maybe some more time I'll try a couple more times the memory stuff. And yeah, we need to do this every day, otherwise it won't stick. Okay. Wow, these things go so fast. Let's see how this one goes. I just go so randomly. Okay. Uh, Sunshine and a butterfly is. Okay, let me. And then this and this. And then here an apple tree. And then they recycle these waste to make a bulb. That's what I imagined. And then they use this flour or slash seed to clean these porcelain vessels. That's what I imagined. And then this kid wants me to take him on a parachute ride. And Yeah, so there was a bird jumping on top of this old man's hand, and some engineers are planning how the sunrise will look like or something, and then there's a huge building on the, and then in front of it people are playing cricket. And what else, there's a huge snow covered tree which is, and a hippopotamus is trying to gobble it. That's how I remembered it. And yeah, this butterfly goes here. mm. And then someone takes a boat to go to this forest, I guess. So this is how I remembered it. Oh, see. Yeah. Every time I kind of get to the end, I kind of slack it. Okay. But it's just okay. 28. My bad. This is like a silly mistake from my side. Okay, stream is good. Sorry that I'm always going and checking back, because sometimes I fail to record myself and I talk for half an hour. And yeah, that's sad actually, to re-record everything. And the initial days of YouTube is pretty rough as well. So okay, I'll try one more and I'll close the stream for today. Okay, let's see. And also, like, one more thing I would like to say here is make it as funny as possible so that it sticks in your mind. If you just make a very good logical story, sometimes it doesn't work, by the way. So in this case, how did I memorize that there should be some bikers? Where are they? Okay, yeah, these are the bikers. So I just imagine that they are going and hitting the bullseye of this sheet and then crashing onto it. And then I also thought, where is a currency? Yeah, I got some meatballs or something. And there is a zebra. I just imagine this as a lawnmower kind of removing the hair out of the zebra, something like that. Sometimes it won't make much sense, and then I remembered, like, it's basically a reception of my dorm where I imagine that flowers are growing on some kind of a rusted lock or something. It doesn't even have to be a lock. I just considered it looked like a lock to me at that instant. So yeah, and this cacti is, yeah. See, this is a cactus. I just thought this is like a saw or something, so it's gonna chop the cactus off. So even though it is not, it still works. Yeah. Here someone is trying to plant a flower vase to make it look prettier, because it's not already looking too good there. Hmm. And what else? What else? What else? Still a lot of images. Oh my god. I don't remember. Okay, here goes this, and someone's walking the tiger. And yeah, a car. This is basically my escalator section of the dom. So I placed two images thinking that a old truck is charging on a solar panel. That's what I imagined. And here there's a long road, and then you take the butterfly to fly over there. It's basically an stairs, by the way, in my dom, so I just associated these two images like long stairs, and then butterflies are flying, sorry, flying. Jesus. Hmm. I don't remember this actually. I think this, and then someone is taking a pillow and running into this long alleyway. I'm not sure whether this thing goes here and this thing comes here. Hmm. And also this one is okay. Sometimes see, you can see, right, any kind of long stretch of a path is like quite confusing. Okay. Whew. 30 out of 30 finally, by luck. Yup. I guess it's okay. Maybe um from tomorrow onwards, maybe I can try for 26. Maybe we'll see. And also sometimes you need to push. Okay, the thing is, you will never be satisfied. Like, if you can see it, I practiced 3 times yesterday, and today I got 2 times 30 out of 30. And here, sorry, here twice I got 30. Today I got once 30, and the other times I got 28, which is fine. Like, always I miss the images order, so it's okay. So I think I'm somewhat okay at 30 seconds now. Now I can push to 28 or 26. Let's see how tomorrow goes. So yeah, so this is to my today's stream. So did my work, did the memory training, read the news, and now I'll go and cook some food and maybe do some more work stuff. And one day I'll do another stream of what kind of work I do, and then how I balance my education and work as well. Okay, thank you guys, see ya.